My name is Mohith. I am present studying my BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I am here to explain five important topics in JavaScript, that is, variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. I will also show you an example code for each so that you can understand them better. So let's get started. The first topic is about variables. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data. We can declare variables using var, let, or constant. Now I have written my code in let. I don't use any var or any constant variables. So I have used my code as let. This is my code for variables. Here var is an old way. It is a very old way. It is a function scoped and not recommended to modern. Let is block scoped and allows changes. Constant is also a block scoped but stores constant values that cannot be reassigned. Here, my name is a string. My age is a number. And my college is also a string. We will use console.log to print the values. The next topic is about arrays. Arrays. Arrays stores multiple values in one variable. They have zero index, which means the first element has an index of zero. The first element is zero. We can see here, we can observe it here. First, we created an array called as fruits. The fruits of zero gives the first element in the output. In the next line, we can see fruits.push. Fruits.push adds a new element to the array. So we have given the output using console.log. The next topic is about functions. Functions are reusable blocks. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a different task. You can define them using two main ways. First, normal functions and arrow functions. In functions, the greet function takes a name and returns a greeting. The greet function takes a name and returns a greeting. Then add function, sorry, I have used subtract function. So the subtract function uses arrow syntax to return the subtract of two numbers. I have given the syntax as constant subtract equal to a comma b. Returns a minus b. The greater. Okay. The next topic is objects. Object stores data in key value pairs. Each key is like a label. Each value can be a string, a number, or array, or even another object or function. Here, person has two properties, name and age. Here, person has two properties, name and age. And one method called greet. Greet function is used to greet others. This keyword, this dot name, refers to the object itself. And I have given the output as console.log student.name. The next topic is about loops. Loops let us repeat actions multiple times without writing the same code over and over. The most common is for loop, while loop, and for off loop. The for loop runs a fixed number of times. The while loop runs while a condition is true. For off loop used to iterate over arrays. For loops, the code is given as below. The for loop counts from 1 to 3. Does the if but checks the condition before each run. The for of loop goes through each value in the colors array. So this is my codes for loops, objects, functions, arrays, and variables. I want to print output, so I am going to run live circuit. It local here. I saved it as uh, so this is my output. So this is my output for the given course. Mohith 18 Mission Institute of Technology. With sound, red, green, blue. So this is my output, and that's it. We have covered variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. Just I hope this helps you understand our concepts better. Thank you for watching.